Wedding season is here and it's time to amp up my skincare and makeup game for all the parties and functions to follow. Keep watching to find out what it looks like. Hi guys, my name is Shaadi and I am a beauty influencer on Instagram and YouTube. I have a combination skin type. My skin looks very plain in general, but I do get a lot of clogged up pores and pimples around my nose. So my preference of a good makeup always has to be a good skincare followed by a light base. For parties and functions, I always love minimal yet glossy look. So let's start with the makeup. I have washed my face with Plum Vitamin C face wash. Now I will spray Plum Bulgarian Valley Ghost Water Toner. This hydrates, nourishes and keeps my skin soft. Next, I will apply Plum Vitamin C Serum. You can see this adds a natural glow to my skin. Lastly, Plum Vitamin C Moisturizer. This is so lightweight and quick absorbing. You can see my skin looks so radiant and fresh. Starting off my makeup with Plum Face Primer, this gives a soft matte finish, minimizes the pores and smoothens my skin. Next, I'm applying Plum Soft Blend Weightless Foundation. I am so in love with this foundation. It is so lightweight, so hydrating and blends so easily. For concealer, I'm using Plum Soft Blend Liquid Concealer. Again, this is so lightweight yet gives you a very high coverage. You can see my base looks flawless right now. Now set your concealer with Plum Compact that comes with SPF 15. Love how it instantly mattifies my under eye. Now let's add a little color to my face. I'm using Plum Touch and Glow Lip and Cheek Tint in shade Bare It Is for contouring. This is so easy to blend. You can use a brush or finger to blend this product very easily. For blush, I'm using shade Tickled Pink. This is my favorite shade of blush. Love how it instantly changes the look. Now I'm gonna set everything with the compact again. For my crease, I'm using Plum Touch and Glow Lip and Cheek Tint in shade Mauve Along to darken my crease. This will enhance your eye look. Now I will use Plum I Swear by Kohl Kajal in Deep Black. This is the most difficult part for me. I have very sensitive eyes, but this kajal is so creamy and smooth. Just one swipe and you are done. Apply on both upper and lower waterline. Smudge the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to apply Plum I Swear by Matte Eyeliner in Midnight Blue. Finishing my eye look with Plum I Swear by Volume Mascara. The Hourglass brush instantly adds volume and lengthens my lashes. Completing my entire look with Plum Twist and Go Matte Lipstick in shade Witty in Pink. Outline your lips first and then fill in. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Tune in next time for another edition of Shaadi Ready with Plum.